Introduction to Brussels sprouts. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk a bit about Brussels sprouts. They're not just cute mini cabbages, they're packed with nutrients, including vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, making them a perfect choice for vegans and non-vegans alike. Wait, before we starting I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. Introduction to Brussels sprouts. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk a bit about Brussels sprouts. They're not just cute mini cabbages, they're packed with nutrients, including vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, making them a perfect choice for vegans and non-vegans alike. Preparation. Now, let's prepare these Brussels sprouts for cooking. First, trim the stem ends and remove any yellowed leaves. Then, cut them in half, like so. Next, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius. Seasoning. Time to add some flavor. In a mixing bowl, toss your Brussels sprouts with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, minced garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. Give them a good mix, ensuring each sprout is coated evenly. Roasting. Spread your seasoned Brussels sprouts out on a baking sheet. Make sure they're in a single layer for even cooking. Pop them into the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're tender and slightly crispy. The finishing touch. Once your Brussels sprouts are out of the oven, give them a gentle squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that zesty kick. And there you have it, our mouth-watering vegan Brussels sprouts are ready to serve. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.